Hey there, Pyro peeps, Dex here. Again, doing my own demo of a product today called Stone Cold Crazy by Pyro Demon. It is a directional cake. It is a fan cake. So when you light it, be sure to face it properly towards your spectators. As far as the bores go, look good. Nice different directions. You can see at least the 3 rows that's going to give us that fan shape. And the performance, it's 24 shots. And the performance is crazy. It is. Number 1, red pearls and white strobe with red tail. Number 2, fan-shaped brocade crown and blue pearls with a blue tail. 3, green pearls and golden strobe with blue tail. 4, fan-shaped red pearls and white strobe waterfall with red tail. 5, fan-shaped brocade crown and red strobe with blue tail. And 6, red and blue chrysanthemum with red tail. So there we go. I was told this is pretty hot. I've been watching Pyro Demon products for the last few years and been very impressed with most of them. Really some good hitting products. So, Stone Cold Crazy by Pyro Demon. Remember, aim it correctly towards your spectators. So, let's go check it out. Next up is Stone Cold Crazy. Beautiful. Stone Cold Crazy.